Y'all know what to do. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to 40 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. And also subscribe if you're new to the channel. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time on the video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 40 likes? Yes we can. So smash that like button, I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share this video with your friends. It really helps out with the channel. And comment what you thought of drawing. Never forget to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Hokage Naruto in word art form. Hopefully y'all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and it's been so long since I made a word art for Naruto. It's been so long, and I decided to finally make another one of Naruto. So hopefully y'all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making it. I'm going to be leaving this in my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out. So it's going to be in the description. And I also have a Naruto and Boruto drawing playlist there, so check that out. I would highly recommend it. But yeah everybody, hopefully y'all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Don't text them everybody. Peace.